Smartphone, voice command, Wi-Fi string LED lights by Alexa and Google Play has a built-in microphone, about 45 feet plus LEDs. We're going to show you what you get inside the box. An instruction guide how to hook up and get to the application online, and your string lights all wired up, nicely packed. Here power base 110 volt to 12 volt output with the on and off switch. Two areas of interest. These are two little areas that you could put a screw on to a wall or tie down any way you like. One end is tipped and the other end is your plug that you're going to match up like for like and plug in. As you plug in, the lights are on or off. These are non-replaceable LED bulbs. They got 3 LEDs in there. These are plastic, they won't break. They have a little area so you could put a hook, a string, etc., etc. The lights are on. There is a microphone over here on a device. Reset instructions. To reset your smart Wi-Fi multicolor outdoor string lights, locate the on and off button, press and hold it for at least 5 seconds. The string lights is successfully reset. It will flash 3 times. If it does not flash, please try again. Once successfully reset, please pair the string lights again to your home application. The LED lights can be controlled by 3 methods. The controller, the smartphone, Alexa, Google Assist. Dimming the light strip can be dimmed through the following: through the home app and through partner programs like Accessa. Dimming is not possible by the controller alone. Scheduling the lights is not accessible by the controller alone. Voice control is not scheduled by the controller but by the Alexa or smart app. Tuning the whites is controlled by the smart app or Alexa, not the controller alone. Changing of millions of colors is controlled by the app alone. Audio sync with the voice command, games, apps, movies, all controlled via the application and not just the controller. You're going to have to use the application for many of the uses to control your lights. Everything I mentioned is in the manual as well as the app and online, so please check out for further details, further information about it. Let's download the app and see what this unit can do. If you have difficulties getting the pairing mode, again, you want to reset the unit, hold it for 5 full seconds, and then we have connect. Hit connect, and it should start to pair. It needs to be on a 2.4 gigahertz only router. Once you're on the correct router, things will pair up. You are paired, device added, set room up, device found. Congratulations, if you have Amazon, Alexa, Google Home, or an Apple HomeKit, you may set up. I do not. It tells you how to hit things to set things up and go through the settings and everything. Very simple to operate. We could turn on and off the unit by hitting the application, as you can see. We are at 100% and we could start to dim things down. As you notice, it changed the colors. If we want to change the full color spectrum to warm or cool, we can do so via the application. But we have to make sure that we are connected 100%. We hit the little X there. We could be on cool, daylight, white, soft, and warm. As we go through the application, we have here in the settings, name, room, activation, the Mac, and so forth. We could back out. We have here's the effects. You have music, party, dining, romance, dancing, siren, lightning, rain, sea wave, rainbow, stars, aurora, moonlight, sunset glow, fireworks, random, color cycle, rhythm, Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's, festival, and no default. We have color spectrum from warm all the way up to cool, and we can reset to the middle. Warm, soft, white, daylight, and color, and then the brightness level to control. If you choose in the effect one of the things, for example, music sync, and it goes to the voice of you, and you don't want it to be super bright, you go into the brightness and you start to lower it down, and the lower it'll go, as you can see. So if I clap my hands and all, the lights will flash. Go into the home screen, you have a routines here, light schedules that you can set the unit up. You have here's a wake up, you can turn the lights on, and you just simply have to set everything up and go to sleep and automation. These are how the lights work. What I'm going to go do is find a spot, just hang them up for you, and then you get to see what they look like at nighttime. I hope this product is something that you're looking for to control via your system. If it's a smartphone, the controller, Alexa, Google Play. I hope you enjoy your lights and enjoy the show at nighttime of the product. This product is 110 volt to a 12 volt inverter, and you'll have a great time using your party lights, no matter if it's outside for a barbecue, get together, or just lighting up your area, indoors and outdoors. Enjoy your product. These are the lights in the on position without a smartphone. They stay on just one color. This is going down to the minimum percentage, raising it back up, and going into the effects of music. It won't be able to hear me from here, but in the party mode, dining mode, romance mode, and just going through some of the modes here, you can see how the light reacts. Underneath the awning, we'll go into some of the other modes, as you can see. And moonlight mode. And that is the lights in different colors, different sequences. I hope this product is right for you, that you can make a decision if you're looking for string lights smartphone. Enjoy your product.